Okay. So one more is joining Karthik. Okay. So all can see my screen now. Okay. So you all will be given access of language code in the future. Okay. You have to work on this process. This is called our language code. Okay. So what is the purpose of language code? This is the offline content. First of all, many of you worked in the offline sheet, okay, and in the offline sheet you were only marking yes or no on the language part, okay. So the videos that you have marked no on the offline sheet, we have exported those videos into the system, okay, and you have to check these videos if it is related to your language or not, okay. So, for example, Rekha is the Punjabi auditor. Okay, she can identify Punjabi and Haryanvi. So, what you have to do is, Rekha, this is a default language panel. Okay, here you have to select the Punjabi panel. Okay, for example, you're working on the Punjabi panel. Okay, so you have to
Okay.
select the Punjabi panel. Okay, like this, and then you will get the videos according to your language. The videos will be mixed, okay. It can be any language, but you can mark the videos, you can pass those videos where you are sure about the video, okay. So first of all, like this video, let us take the first one, okay. Okay, such kind of content you will get. Okay, so this is the common content. I will explain you what is the common content as well as what is all about languages, how you have to select the language. For example, this is the common content that I've checked. Okay, so what I will mark common content from here. Please off your mics. Okay, so here you will get all kind of video, all kind of language options. If it is a Punjabi video, then you can mark it as Punjabi. Okay, but as we can see, this is not a Punjabi video. This is a particular common content. Okay, common content concept I will explain after this. Okay, so this is the common content. Then we can pass this video under the common content. Okay, and see, just a minute. Okay, and when you're not sure about a video, for example, if you're watching a video and it is not related to your language, for example, this is the South Indian language that I cannot understand, okay, at that time what you can do is you can select the option of maybe. Okay, so here is the option of maybe. You need to select maybe, then you will get some language options. You can mark any three of the languages that you can assume that this video belong to these languages. For example, I'm a North Indian auditor and I cannot understand any of the South language. At that time, what I will do is I will select maybe, and then I will select the South language. For example, I'm selecting Telugu, Tamil as well as Kannada. Okay, because I'm not sure about the language, which language is it, and which language in the video has been used. Okay, so I am whenever you are selecting a maybe option, you will get this small pop-up. Okay, and in this pop-up what you have to do is you have to select two or three languages. Okay, you can select, I think, yeah, you can select three languages only. Okay, you can select any three languages and then you can pass. Okay, you can pass the video. So what will happen when you mark the video in maybe, at that time the languages that you have chosen in the maybe part, those videos will be divided into their language panel. For example, the video I passed in the video I marked maybe in this panel, and I have chosen three languages. That was Tamil, Telugu, and one more was there. Okay, so that video will go into the Tamil part as well as the Telugu part as well as the Kannada part. Okay, so this is how we can divide the work on the CPS. So whenever you are passing a video, you will get 20 paisa per video. Okay, but when you are marking a video under maybe option, then you will get 10 paisa per video. Okay, so this is the price of the price per video. Okay, so all are clear about this whole CPS thing. Anyone has any doubt? See, I have reviewed 2 videos. You will get your total reviewed number here, as well as the video that you have passed and the off number of videos. For example, if the video is not according to the standards, for example, the video is pornographic, or any abusive language is used in the video, or someone is butchering the animals, or any kind of cruelty shown in the video, then you can mark the video off. Okay, you can offline the video from here. See, you have the option of off. You can select this button and you can off the video. Okay, so one more thing, that is about skip option. Don't skip the videos. Why? Because whenever you are skipping a video, it will come again and again in your panel. Okay, and it will increase your workload. Okay, so instead of marking skip, and you will not going to get paid for skip option, so what you can do is you can skip the video. You can mark maybe instead of the skipping part. Okay, you can mark maybe, but don't mark skip on the video. Okay, so if you want, if you're working in your panel, for example, I am a Asami auditor. Okay, and I'm working in this Asami panel, this one. Okay, so I am working in my Asami panel, and there is no video. When all the videos are finished in my panel, okay, at that time, what we have to do is you have to switch to the other panel. For example, you have to switch to the Punjabi panel only, because in the Punjabi panel, 1 lakh plus videos are there. Okay, so from there you can choose, you can check your language videos. Okay, because in the Punjabi panel there are a lot of videos that are Telugu, there that are Tamil, and other languages also. Okay, so you have to select Punjabi panel whenever you are finished on your panel. Okay, for example, in Asami panel, I have only 10 videos to audit. So when I finish this part, then I will go to the Punjabi panel to work. Okay, so so this is all about the CPS. Okay, all are clear about the CPS thing? Everyone is clear? Anyone having any doubt about CPS? Anyone is having any doubt about the CPS? All have understood? Hello, you can unmute your mic.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
okay. Alex, Karthik, Rekha, all are clear
Yes,
about this? Okay. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to provide me your email ID, your full name, and your mobile phone number. Okay. So I will create your account on the CPS, and I will send you the link of our site. You have to work there. Okay. And the target will be 1000 videos per day. Okay. You have to complete 1000 videos in a day. From today, you can start with like 200 or 300 videos per day, because it's your first day, so you can do less. And after a week, I will expect from you to complete 1000 videos in a day. Okay, so point 20 will be the pricing, and for maybe you will be getting point 10. Okay, so let's now talk about the common content. What is the common content? Just give me a second, let me open the sheet of common content. Okay. Okay, so you can see my screen now. Everyone can see my screen now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so let's talk about the journal or the
Yes,
format.
yes,
So
we
what
can
is
see.
the okay? So what is the purpose of journal content and what is the purpose of language? For example, first of all, what we are doing, we are working on an app, okay, where we have to pass the videos. Uh, Whenever the safety auditor passes the video, it should be according to the rules. Then it come to the tag review part, okay, where the tag reviewer, what the tag reviewer does, the tag reviewer give the tag to the video, okay, and they pass the video in the languages. And in the language part, you what your work is to add the correct language in the video and to pass the video, okay. So see, there are languages you will get in the video, okay. There can be two languages used in a video. There can be two or three languages that can be used in a video, like mixture of languages you will get in a video, okay. There will be a chances, okay. So there is one more thing, that is the journal content. When we talk about journal content, in the journal content part, what is the journal content? The content that can be understood by each and everyone, those who cannot understand any Indian language, okay. For example, if I'm a foreigner and I cannot understand Hindi as well as any other language of India, at that time, if I'm a user of our app, so I should be understanding the journal content, okay. So the journal content is for those who cannot understand any of the Indian language, okay. So whenever we are watching the video, there are three things that we particularly see in a video. First thing is the video, okay, the content of the video. Second is the background music, and third is the dialogue, okay, and the text part, okay. Like for example, we get text in the status videos. Have you seen the status videos on WhatsApp? You have seen the status videos, no?
Yes.
Where there is a text written in the videos, okay, that kind of
Text.
videos. Second type of videos are the where there is a dialogue in the video, okay, like I'm narrating something in a video or I'm doing lip sync on a video, then it will be a dialogue video, okay. And the third type of video, where there is no dialogues, only in the background there is a music, okay, and with the background music and the video is going on, okay, and there is no relation between the video as well as the background, okay. For example, let's start with the first point, that is about the BGM. Okay, so what kind of BGM? Just a second. Okay, so sorry. Okay, when we talk about the BGM of the video, what kind of a BGM that we need to consider under the general content? Okay, so the types of BGM that we need to consider under the general content is the English BGM. If there is a video and the background music is in English, then you can consider that video under the general content, means the common content, okay. But yeah, but there should be no human dialogues. There should be a song only, okay. Like it is mentioned here, no? There should be no dialogues or voiceover. It should be a song only, okay. So Bollywood song we can consider under general content if in the background the Bollywood song is going on and the video is totally not related to the background music, then it will be a general content, okay. And the third part is the foreign languages. We can consider foreign languages, Bollywood, as well as English songs in the general content. But what we don't have to consider is the regional songs. Even if the video is not related to the regional songs, still we don't have to consider the regional songs under the general content. Okay, so we need to consider English, Bollywood, and the foreign language content into in the general content. Okay, let's see the examples. You will get more idea uh, about the BGM part. Okay, these are the good cases where there is no dialogues or no caption. What is the caption? The text. There is no text or there is no dialogue, only the BGM is going on. Okay, at that time you can consider that video under the common content. So what is the mean of the BGM? Then the BGM is not related to the video and we can get the video. Okay, I can understand the video, like if a person is showing his special talent in a video, and for enhancing the video he has used background music. At that time I can understand the video clearly without even understanding the background music. At that time you need to consider such videos under the common content. Okay, let's play the first example. Okay, this one here, there is no voice. There is just a voice of drum is there. Okay, and I have seen in the video that people are falling off the bike. Okay, so such videos we can consider under the uh, common content. Okay, because we can understand the video without the music also. Okay, let's play the second video. Okay, in this part, this is not a good example of general content. Why? Because there is a caption written and it is written in a Hindi language. Mommy? Mommy? Okay, so in this video, if there is no caption, then it can be considered under the general content. Okay, okay, let's see the next example. Okay, so yeah, the good cases. If you can read this note, in this note it is written like if the video contains text element, but in a way that has absolutely no effect on the understanding content, then it can be considered under the general part. Okay, but we can skip this part. Why? Because then you can be confused. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to consider only English BGM, foreign BGM, as well as the Bollywood BGM. Okay, so let's check the bad cases. Those are the bad cases we need to consider under. We should not consider under the common content. Okay, video has lines and dialogues. If a video contains lines as well as dialogues, then it will not be a general content. Okay, let's see one video. Okay, like this video, there are dialogues. When there will be dialogues, okay, then it will not be a common content. Okay, so this is the rule of BGM. First of all, let's talk about the second bad cases, that are background sound is dubbed by human. For example, when there is a BGM and it is dubbed by human, like they are using some kind of dialogues. in the background or a voiceover is there, then we should not consider such videos under the common content. Okay, let's play the first video.
अपने मोबाइल के चार्जर को 5 बार चार्जिंग में लगाइए, हटाइए, लगाइए, हटाइए, लगाइए, हटाइए। मोबाइल चार्ज होने लगेगा बिना बिजली के।
Like this video, okay? There is a voiceover in the background. If I cannot understand Hindi, then I will not able to get what she is saying in the video, and the video is totally relatable to the voiceover. So that's why it is not a good case of general content. So such cases we don't have to mark under the general content. Such cases we need to mark under the particular language. For example, like this one is Hindi. She is talking in Hindi, then I will mark this video under Hindi instead of the common content. Okay. So next part is just a second. Okay, the next scenario is that whenever there is a written part in the video, content has a written script of language or background music, sound container, dialogue, or a sound container dialogue. So what kind of dialogues we need to consider under common content? When we talk about dialogues, we only need to include English language, okay, where there is an Indian who is speaking in English. Only and only such cases we need to consider under the common content. Okay, if there is, see, in the BGM part there should not be any dialogue, but yes, if there is a dialogue in the video and it is in English and it is the dialogues are narrated by an Indian, like our way of talking in English, like the slang we use, every country has their own slang of English. Okay, so the slang we use in English, if we find such videos on the app, on the system, and that in that case, what you have to do is you have to mark such videos under common content. Okay, so let me check if there is any example of this. So see, what we don't have to consider under common content, that is foreign. If a foreigner is speaking in English, then it will come under the foreign language part, but not in the general content. Okay, if a person is speaking in English as well as regional language, like the mixture of English as well as the regional language, in that case also we don't have to consider such videos under common content, because one cannot understand the regional language, then the video will be not understandable to them. Okay, same goes for Hindi and regional languages. So all these red cases should not be considered under the common content part. Okay, when it comes to the dialogues. Okay, I hope everyone is getting my point. And the third part is about the text written in the video. Like if there is a text written in the video, for example, the status videos, there is a status video and there is a text written in the video. In that case, only and only English written text. Okay, like if a person has written an English thought in a video, okay, he's sharing any thoughts that are written in English only. In that case, we need to mark it under general content. Otherwise, all the other videos where there is a combination of English and regional, combination of Hindi and regional, and any other regional language, if it is there, then it should not be a common content. Okay, so what is the conclusion of this whole training? That we need to only pass English written and English dialogues that are used by Indians in the video into the common content. Only for the background part, there are 3 rules that we need to consider. 3 types of music in the common content, that is English, foreign, English, as well as the Bollywood music. Okay, so I hope everyone has everyone got my point about the general content. Everyone got it? Is there any doubt about the general content? Okay, I can do one more thing. I can play some videos and we can practice the general content together. Okay, let me show you the CPS. Okay. I'm starting with Punjabi because I'm a North Indian, so I can easily understand Punjabi. Okay, so I'm starting with Punjabi, and there is more content in the Punjabi. That's why I started with Punjabi. Okay.
जरूरत पर अपनों को आजमाया है मैंने, फूलों से भी जख्म खाया है।
Like this is clearly not a general content. Why? Because the person is narrating in Hindi. Okay, if the person is narrating in Hindi and if I cannot understand Hindi, then this video will not be understandable to me. So that's why this is not a general content. Okay. Okay, so this is the Hindi content. So that's why I'm passing this video under the Hindi. Okay, so this video we can pass in the general content. Why? Because the background is Bollywood song and the written part is in English only. Okay, so it's written only you. Okay, so I think this can be quite understandable to any person. So I'm passing this video under the common content. Okay, so let's check the next video. This is not a general content. Why? Because the written part is a mixture of English and Hindi. It is a English language. Like the Hindi words are written in English. At that time, if I cannot understand, if I cannot understand the Hindi content, then I will not be able to understand what is written in the video. Okay, so such videos will go under the language part. So this is a Hindi song and the Hindi text is written there. So that's why I'm marking this video under Hindi. Okay, everyone is getting my point. Everyone can unmute and let me know if there is any issue about the videos or if you are not getting my point. Hello? Yeah, please
Yes,
unmute
ma'am.
yourself. Everyone is getting Elvin, Alex, Karthik.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm getting, but without our respective language, other than we don't understand that Hindi, North Indian languages. Then how
At
can
that
I?
time, yeah, at that time, what you can do is you can mark maybe. Okay, you see there is an
Okay.
option of maybe, and I've already told you that we are going to pay you on maybe part also. Okay,
Yeah,
so
ma'am.
we are
Okay,
paying
okay.
you for
But
maybe
most
also.
of
So
them
don't,
video,
yeah.
no, ma'am, but 1,000 video per day, but most of the video, maybe I think 900 above, and also we are giving only maybe option only.
There is no issue. There is no
North
issue.
Indian language only is there, ma'am.
Yeah, I know about it, but see, there will be a Tamil videos also, and there will be other languages video also. But what we can do is we can mark maybe, and it will help the other language auditor to check on their respective panels. Okay, whenever you are marking the video
Okay.
on the maybe partner, at that time, that video will go to that particular panel. For example, if you mark this video
Okay.
under Punjabi, then this video will go to the Punjabi panel to review.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so you will get payment for maybe also. Nobody will blame you that why you are working on only maybe, why you are marking every video under maybe only. That is not an issue.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
but yes, you will get your content also, because I don't think there are like 1 lakh plus videos are there, and all those videos are actually not North Indian. All these videos are mixture of all the languages. So what you need to
Yeah,
do
ma'am,
is you
but
can mark maybe. See, it is this
yeah.
is the same problem for North Indian also. North Indian auditors also. Even they cannot understand the South languages. Okay. So what they will do, they
Okay.
will also mark maybe. Okay. But yes,
Okay,
in
okay.
this process, what I got is our seniors told me that most of the content is common as well as Hindi content. Okay, so
Okay.
if you get the idea about the common content that I have described just now, then it will help you to audit more videos. Okay, so I don't
Okay,
want
okay.
any of you to mark a common content video in a wrong language. Okay, so common content is
Okay.
very easy to understand. Only the English part you need to mark in the common content. Okay, that's what I'm explaining. But only there is the exception in the background music. So background music, there are 3 rules that I've already explained, that Bollywood music, English music, as well as the foreign music, you can consider under the common content. Okay, but not the regional part. If the song, if in this particular video that I was playing, just a second. Like this video was there. Yeah, this video, like where the person is riding a bike. If in this video the background music is in any regional language, see there is a voiceover, so this will not be a common content. But yes, I'm talking about such kind of videos where the person is riding a bike, but in the background music, if it is a Punjabi song, then it will come under the Punjabi part only. Then it will come under the Punjabi language. But if the background music of this video is English or foreign or Bollywood, then you can mark such videos under common content. Okay, where there is no relation of video with the background music. Did you got my point?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, if anybody else have any issue, I can audit more videos. Okay, let's check one more video, then we will discuss again. Okay. Okay, so this part, this is also common content. Why? Because there is no dialogue. Okay, and the written part is in pure English, like shake before you drink. This is basically a meme video. Okay, after graduation from online classes. So such content where there is no dialogue and all the content that is all the text is written in English only, that you need to, then you need to mark such videos under the common content. See, I can understand this if I cannot understand Hindi. Okay, even you can understand this because you can understand English and you can understand the whole concept what they are trying to see in the video. Okay, so I'm marking this video under the common content. Okay, so this is how you need to audit the video in the general content. Everyone got my point? Let's check one more video. Okay, so okay, so this one there is a voiceover and it is in Hindi. That's why I'm marking this under the Hindi content. Okay. Okay, so in the end, the song that is used is in Punjabi. So that's why whenever it comes between Hindi and the regional language, at that time you need to select the regional language. Okay. So किसी को कोई doubt है इससे related? अभी सबको समझ आ गया होगा hopefully. See, the meeting is going to end soon. If you have any doubt, then we can start the meeting again. Okay, but if you are not having any doubt, then we can end the meeting. Okay. Hello. Yeah, everyone can unmute first of all. Elvin, Alex, Karthik, Namrata. Namrata, is there any doubt? Namrata, is there any doubt? Rekha, Vasuki, Vasuki, I think. Is there any doubt?
No doubt.
Okay, no doubt is there. So I'm sending you this general content sheet, revise it, okay? And then we will start your account, okay? And you need to send me your email address, your phone number, as well as your full name, okay? On the group. Those who have joined, they need to send me this whole information. Then I will update your accounts and will let you know with the passwords, okay? Okay then, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.